Hello and welcome to our tour of the townhomes. Here we are standing in the beautiful townhome village here on campus. Let's check them out. Here we are in the townhomes. These living spaces are for 4 upperclassmen to share. So sophomores, juniors, and seniors can apply to live here. As you can see behind me, we have a full kitchen space, as well as this nice common area. We also have in-unit laundry, a private bedroom per resident, as well as 2 shared bathrooms. So this is one of the 4 private bedrooms here in the townhome. You get this whole nice space to yourself. You've got your bed, bedside table, a desk, dresser, and a full-size closet. Now we're in Eagle Hall, which is our hotel-style rooms. So these are 2-person shared rooms that upperclassmen can apply to. So you've got 2 beds, 2 dressers, 2 closets, 2 desks. But the best part is that you've got your own private bathroom as well as keyless entry. This is one of the shared kitchen spaces here in Eagle Hall. As you can see, it's a full-size kitchen with tons of room. You've got your full-size fridge, oven, stove, microwave, and then there's also a TV in here. And then around the other side is a study space, an eating area that has another TV as well. This is the common space in Eagle Hall. This is a super great multi-purpose room that has obviously tons of seating. You can play ping pong, you can watch TV, and it also opens up into a large outdoor patio if you want to sit outside too.